Hello students, welcome back to the class. On today's subtopic, we are going to be looking at the feeding habit. The feeding habit simply means the various methods different organisms takes in order to carry out their feeding mechanism. These include filter feeding, fluid feeding, wallowing feeding, sucker feeders, saprophytic feeding, and the parasitic feeding. Number one on the feeding habit is the filter feeders. These are mostly aquatic organisms that use a sieve-like structure to collect reasonable amounts of food. Examples are mosquito larvae, mussel, ducks, and the prawns. Number two is the fluid feeding. Fluid feeding is a method of feeding in which the organism obtains fluid from either an animal or plant. We also have the wallowers. These are organisms that rest within or wallow in their food. Example is the tapeworm. We also have the suckers. These are organisms which feed by sucking fluid from plants or animals. Examples is the bug, the mosquito, the butterfly, and so on. We also have the saprophytic feeding. The saprophytes are mainly non-green plants which do not have chloroplast and therefore cannot manufacture their own food. Hence, they depend to feed on dead organic matter. The last is the parasitic feeding. This organism tends to feed on other organisms. So students, I would like you all to go back to the notes and make inferences in your notebook and also attend the evaluation questions. Thank you.